Referred to by some as digital drugs, a survey finds that people are using audio clips to get high. Okay, let's see what these shenanigans are all about. That in a report on Study Finds. Be sure to like and subscribe below. Might be less expensive. Researchers from RMIT University in Australia say their study looked at the phenomenon of binaural beats, which are sounds that can allegedly trigger a psychoactive effect in the brain. More specifically, binaural beats are illusionary tones created by the brain when someone hears two different sound frequencies in each ear. Data from the Global Drug Survey 2021 shows 72% of respondents use binaural beats to help them relax or fall asleep. Another 35% are trying to change their mood. I use my headphones to avoid conversations on a plane, but more often than not, there's nothing playing. However, 12% say they're using binaural beats to create the same high they get from taking a psychedelic drug. Lead study author Dr. Monica Barrett says that many people use this phenomenon as a source for help for sleep therapy or pain relief. That's interesting. She notes that most of the people trying to get high had experience using other psychedelics. The survey included more than 30,000 people in 22 countries, including the United States. Researchers say these audio tracks often have titles which spell out their intended purpose, focusing on everything from mindfulness and meditation to tracks named after drugs like MDMA and cannabis. Overall, binaural beat users were younger and were more likely to be using other drugs than those not listening to these clips. Users also admitted that they were trying to connect with themselves or something bigger than themselves through this experience. 1 in 20 wanted to reach an altered state through listening to binaural beats. Well, there's a good way to spend your time. 16% of respondents from the U.S. say they've tried it, which is more than double the average in other nations. I literally never heard of this until today. Barrett said that most people who listened were already using ingestible substances. She also said that more research is needed to make sure there aren't any negative impacts. Okay, I get that, but the more time a person spends trying to escape the reality in a drug-induced stupor, I presume the issues may already be a little more deeper than the crazy sound experience that comes along. That being said, researchers say the phenomenon may be very beneficial to the medical world. So the jury is still out and more research is needed. Basically, the question is, does it really work, or is this the emperor's new clothes for your ears? Yeah. Do you feel it? Oh, I feel it. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's awesome. We have tons more info on this and other studies. Just click on the link in the description below and head to studyfinds.com.